Welcome to the latest edition of Respiratory Research Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by LucidQuest. Avalyn Pharma initiated its Phase 2 AURA trial of AP02, an inhaled nintedanib therapy for idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis. The randomized, placebo-controlled study targets 160 untreated patients and has now dosed its first participant. The primary endpoint focuses on change in forced vital capacity at week 12, which may inform future treatment positioning and payer considerations. Insmed reported positive top-line results from the Phase 3b ENCORE trial, evaluating ARIKAYCE in patients with Mycobacterium avium complex lung disease. The study met its primary endpoint on respiratory symptoms at month 13 and achieved all multiplicity-controlled culture conversion endpoints. Safety findings were consistent with the known profile, supporting planned regulatory filings in the United States and Japan. Beam Therapeutics shared updated Phase 1/2 data for Beam 302 in alpha-1 antitrypsin deficiency. Across 29 patients with follow-up up to 18 months, the therapy demonstrated durable increases in total and corrected AAT levels alongside reductions in mutant ZAAT. The company selected a 60 mg dose for pivotal development, supporting a potential accelerated approval pathway. Avalyn Pharma also published a post-hoc analysis from its Phase 1b ATLAS study of AP01 in idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis. The findings linked quantitative imaging improvements with better lung function and quality of life outcomes. Observed correlations included fibrosis scores, ground glass measures, and patient-reported outcomes, offering insights into biomarker-driven development strategies. AstraZeneca announced that Tozorakimab met the primary endpoint in both Oberon and Titania Phase 3 trials in COPD. The therapy reduced moderate to severe exacerbation rates compared to placebo in both the primary population of former smokers and the overall study population, with a favorable tolerability profile. Savara reported that the European Medicines Agency validated its marketing authorization application for Molbreevi in autoimmune pulmonary alveolar proteinosis. This initiates the CHMP review process, with a decision expected in the first quarter of 2027. The therapy is also under priority review in the United States with an action date in August 2026. AN2 Therapeutics initiated an investigator-led Phase 2 trial of epetraborole in Mycobacterium abscessus complex lung disease. The randomized double-blind study plans to enroll 84 patients across multiple United States sites, with top-line results expected in late 2027. Vertex Pharmaceuticals received United States approval for expanded labels of Alyftrek and Trikafta, extending eligibility to additional cystic fibrosis patients. The update allows treatment for variants producing CFTR protein or responsive to modulators, increasing eligibility to about 95% of patients in the United States. Stay ahead in respiratory research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare